Hey guys, I'm back with a quick grocery haul. This is from what I picked up at Walmart. Just a few things to make a few recipes that I have recently found online that I wanted to give a try. And some restock items mostly for the girls, for their lunches, and a few things I picked up from a local grocery store here. I think they're nationwide. They're called Natural Grocers, so I'll just throw those in at the end of this video. But for everything else, it was picked up at our local Walmart. So let's get started and I'll show you what I got. So I got 2 cans of the organic garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I got 2 cans of the organic pinto beans, so 2 of those. 1 can of the Bush's Best, I'm sorry, is it not focusing? It's not focusing. The Bush's refried beans in the fat-free, so they have no lard in them. 2 cans of the Bush's cannellini beans, or white kidney beans. So I got 2 cans of those, and those are going to be for recipes for, I found a recipe I've been watching, High Carb Hannah here on YouTube, and she puts out a lot of great recipes. She has one for a kind of like a corn and bean chili that she has listed up on her channel, and I wanted to go ahead and give that a try. So a lot of the beans are for that, and I picked up some for my husband. He likes the Thomas's multigrain light, fix it here, multi-grain English muffins. I also picked him up some of the Oreo thins. He really likes the lemon flavor, and so I just got him the thin to save a little calories. And we were out of breadcrumbs. I picked up this huge tub. It is 2 pounds 8 ounces of the Progresso breadcrumbs in the Italian style. For the girls, for their breakfast, just as a treat, is these donuts, and they were in the double chocolate flavor. I also picked up for me, this looked really good, and I saw somebody else in a local group that I'm in, they picked up the Nature's Path Love Crunch organic cereal with the dark chocolate and red berries. It is cereal flakes, granola, and Italian dark chocolate, and it is non-GMO, and it is vegan. So I picked those up. And I also picked up some of the Red Star Savory Nutrition. It is not focusing for me today. The nutritional yeast flakes. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It does not want to focus today. Picked up some of that. And this is good to add like a cheesy flavor on your food. And it is also a good source of B vitamins, protein, and fiber. I picked up a pack of the Ora Wheat Crostini sandwich rolls for my husband. He likes to eat these with he makes his own veggie burgers. And then I have some that I had picked up at Aldi. I had shown in a previous video. I like these because they do not have the high fructose corn syrup. I also picked up some of the Mission Organic whole wheat tortillas to have some roasted veggies in there, and some homemade vegan sour cream. So I got those to make little wraps for me, and we were all out of olive oil. My husband uses this a lot. I don't use much oil. I try to use hardly any oil, if any. And this is the Bertolli extra virgin olive oil in the organic. For the girls, for their lunches, they have a choice of the Kool-Aid jammers or the Gatorade. This is the G2, and it is in the mixed berry and in the fruit punch flavors. So I picked up 2 big packs of those for their lunches. Also picked up a party mix of their chips. They'll probably eat everything but the Funyuns. They will not eat the Funyuns. So I'm not sure. I guess they can give those away. And some LaCroix. I've never tried this flavor before, the cran raspberry, so I'm going to give this one a try. And my oldest daughter, she still loves her regular milk, so we just give, and this is her favorite milk. We've tried all the different milks, and she really prefers the Fairlife Super Kids milk. She says it's her favorite. And for me and my husband, I picked up the Silk Almond Light, 40 calories, non-flavored, because, you know, sometimes when you're cooking with it, you don't want vanilla flavored mashed potatoes. I've just had some stomach issues lately. We ate a whole bunch of spicy foods the other day and my stomach's really been hurting. So I picked up this Kavita, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, active cultured sparkling probiotic drink in the lemon ginger flavor. I've never tried it before, so I'm going to give that a try. For their lunches, I picked up some Uncrustables in the chocolate flavored hazelnut spread sandwich, and in the Smucker's Uncrustables in the strawberry. I picked up a bag of organic red potatoes because I found a recipe for, I still haven't made it yet, and the other potatoes ended up going bad before I could use them. The the potato salad. So it's made with avocados and dill and onions and I think celery. I can't remember, but I'm going to give that a try with those tonight. I'm also making a lentil loaf tonight. I've never made lentil loaves. They say it's tastes similar to meatloaf when you make it. Picked up a whole pineapple. This was only $1.98 for this huge pineapple. I've heard a lot of people on YouTube saying how great these oranges. They're the Cara. They say they're more natural nutrition to power a healthy immune system. So I thought I'd give these a try. They said they're red orange color, juicy and seedless. So I'm gonna give those a try. And finally, I picked up avocados. Can't have enough avocados. You can use avocados in anything. These add a lot of good fats, good healthy fats into your food. You can actually use these in substitute for oils in your recipes. So yeah, this is everything I picked up at Walmart, and then I'll show you the few items I picked up at grocery store here. It's called Natural Grocers. I know they're in different places. Walmart did not have any red lentils. I have brown lentils, but I needed the red for the recipe. So I picked these up at Natural Grocers. I also picked up a mustard. This is Sir Kensington's mustard in the spicy brown, award-winning taste, non-GMO, and really simple ingredients in it. So I wanted to give that a try. And the final thing I got was this Artisan Organics raw cashew butter. And it is certified raw, certified clean, non-GMO. It is quite pricey. It was around $16 for this little jar. So, but it goes a long way, and I'm looking forward to using it in some recipes that I found and see how that works out. So yeah, this is everything I've purchased. God, this is really, I'm not sure how to fix this lighting. It's really not that good. Hang on, let me see if I can flip this around. Whoop. There we go. That looks a little bit better. So this is everything we picked up at Walmart and Natural Grocers. I appreciate any feedback you have. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below. And subscribe for more videos. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.